Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a 4 stars puzzle. Sudoku with 4 stars in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, January the 11th, 2022. And in this additional, we have 9 extra puzzles. The 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars. Well, actually, this is a 4 stars. Yes. Then we have a 4 stars, tectonic 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, and 2 binaries. But I will continue with the 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 3962. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. So let's get started. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. All right. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 1 goes there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 3 should be there. And then, how about these 3 missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2 is missing. Let me mark this. 3, the 4 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. Well, we have an 8 here in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. So the 8, only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5 in the last row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And then 6, okay. Alright. 4. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Interesting. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. 8, 8. 4, 4, 2, 2. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. We have a pair, yeah? 2 and a 4 in this row, 2 and a 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 2, 5, and 8. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. No. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. 8, 8. 3, 5, 8. Yeah. Well, this 1, 9. 196. 196. Nope, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this middle row for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Okay. 3 missing numbers in, 1 missing number in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 in this first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These are 3 missing numbers. Well, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 9. Oh, well, we have a 6 here in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row, the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 6, 6. 6, 9, 7. Alright. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Yeah, 4, 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the second row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. 2, 2, 7, 7, and the 6. Ah, 3 missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 and a 6 in this column, so no 7 and 6 in this box. The 7 and 6 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 7 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright, 2, 2. Okay. 9, 6. I think I made a mistake. Oh, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 7. Okay. 6, 6. 7, 7, 7. 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in the last row, 7 in row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, I believe 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4, we have a pair. 2 and 4. But we already have a 4 here in this row. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. It's 4 stars. Well, not definitely 4 stars, not definitely 3 stars, not definitely a 2 stars. It's a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes for 4 stars. I cannot believe this. This, although it has 24 printed digits, I told you earlier, although it has 24 printed digits, it's more easier than the previous Sudoku with 25. Yeah. This one is definitely 4 stars, but this one is a 1 star. Yeah, 1 star. So the difficulty level is not, the indication for the difficulty level is not quite exactly. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Sudoku, mix, binary, puzzle, and a TikTok like with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.